Hi everyone. So today I will explain one example in depth search. So here is the graph, an example graph, and here is the stack status, that is to keep track of the point that or vertex that we are going through, to link with other vertex, and these are the output, or on how the algorithm go through to each of these points. So from the start we will go through A first here. So we put A here as we keep track, and then the point A is adjacent to vertex B and S. From the alphabetic order, we will go through B first. So we stack B up here. Not to forget, we must put the output here and this one. So we are up to vertex B now. So from vertex B, since point A is the only point that is adjacent to B, so we will go back and remove B from the stack status. So now we will go back to point A. Since we have gone through vertex B, we will go to the next point that is adjacent to A, that is S. So we put S here, and then we also put the output S here. From the point S, we can see that the only adjacent vertex to vertex S is C and G. From the alphabetic order, we will go to the vertex C. So we stack here C, and then we check again that is adjacent to vertex C, that is D, E, and F. Since D is the closest in alphabetic order after C, so we will go to vertex D. We stack here and put the output here. So now it is A, B, S, C, D. And again we look at vertex D. Since vertex D is only adjacent to C, we will go back to the vertex C. We remove the D from the stack status, and then the only option next is E and F. So we pick E, insert E in stack status and in the output. So we look at vertex E that is only adjacent to H after we gone through C. So we stack here H and put H in the output. And then we go to G since it is the only adjacent to vertex S, H after we gone through vertex E. So we put here stack status G and put the output here G. And then the only vertex that we haven't gone through or haven't visited is the F. So we put F here and F in the output. So we look at the susunan in the output. That is how the algorithm will work. And after F, the algorithm is finished. That is the depth first search, and I will explain more about example for breadth first search in the next video.